Welcome to You Can Do It Part 4. So now we're going to do the icing. We're going to put the icing on here.
Yeah.
I've got my little helper here, Heidi.
Hello.
Hello. What have we got? We've got 3 eggs, which I've got to get the whites from. Just a sieve I picked up from somewhere. Some icing sugar. 500 grams. I think Mary Berry says 675 again, but I'm just going to use 500 and see how I get on. And we've got the mixer, which we've had to borrow from our lovely neighbour Nadine. So we've got a mixer. I haven't got a palette knife, but I'm sure I'll work something out when I get to that stage. So we've got our trusted cake, which has I marzipaned a couple of days ago. So that's sort of drying out nicely. So we're going to get on with this now. Okay, so I'm done with 3 eggs. I've taken the egg white out. I don't know how you're supposed to do it. I just crack the egg on there and then just don't open the shell fully. Just let the stuff drip out. So that's what I've got left. So there's 3 egg yolks in there. Get rid of that.
Mama?
Right, so we're now on to the next stage. So we have to basically pour the egg whites into that. We whisk it up with the whisker. And then we'll start adding that a bit at a time. First of all, I'm going to whisk that up. Right, let's whisk it up nicely. That'll do. What do you think, Heidi? Good, right. Alright, you close your ears. Okay, Heidi's going to put some icing sugar in the mixture. Well then, Heidi, put that in while I mix it. Right, we'll keep mixing it at the same time. Oh yeah, so thank you, Heidi, you can hold the bowl. Right, we just keep doing this, we keep adding it until it gets thicker and thicker and thicker. While she's putting some more in there, I'm just going to quickly, I need some lemon juice I see, and I can't find anything to stick it in, so I'm just going to stick it in an egg cup. Well, I need 3 teaspoons, teaspoons. Okay, look, I've used the whole of that packet up. Still, I mean, it's getting there. But I've got to put a little bit of lemon juice in it as well, so I need to start opening up the other packet. So we are going to end up using about 700 grams of icing sugar. But let me crack on and do that now. Good news is that if it's a new packet, you don't actually need to sieve it. So I didn't need to buy my sieve. It's a waste of time. So I could just, if it's a new packet, it's already decent. As long as it's unopened and in date, you shouldn't need to sieve it. So that's just going straight in. No sieving being done in this kitchen this morning. In this one, I'm just going to, I have to put a bit. Yeah, that cake's looking good, right? So I'm just going to put a little bit of lemon juice. It's good, Heidi. The cake looks good. So now we're just going to mix this up again. You hold the bowl, Heidi. Hold it, thanks. Brilliant. Yeah, look, that's getting a little bit thicker now. Stick a little bit more in. Right, I need 2 hands for that. So I'll be back. Alright, Mary does know her stuff, because we've ended up with about half of that gone as well. So she's about 750 grams of icing for 3 large eggs. So it looks fairly, yeah, it sticks up, as they say, if you want peaks. I reckon that's pretty much good enough to start putting on the cake. So yeah, you're gonna get a present maybe later, right? So now let's try and cover the cake. I'm supposed to have a palette knife, but I can't find a palette knife, so we haven't got a palette knife. So I'm gonna just use this. I'm gonna put it on there and see how we get on. Okay, so I've just put some on there. So we're now just gonna spread it all out. I needed a palette knife. So we're just gonna spread it out like that. See how we get on. I've got a.
Papa, you're not to me talking.
I am going to talk to you in a minute, but I just let me sort this cake out, and Heidi. Let me try and sort this out. I'll be back in a second. Got an expert here who's going to show me how to do it, so I don't need to do anything with this. That's well done, Heidi. That's good. So literally, it's just like plastering, really. Just stick it on, slap it on. We're going to go for the rough look because I haven't got the patience to do the smooth look at the moment. Not with Heidi as well. So yeah, look, it's just a matter of sticking it on. Hang on, let's just show. So you literally just stick it like that, and then we can smooth it down once we get it all covered. But I'm just going to do that on the sides now. Back in a second. Right, so now just on the sides, literally, we just spread it around like this on the sides. The thing about this video is it's genuine. There's no professional lighting or anything. This is just real bucket chemistry. This cake is going to be alright. So I need 2 hands. I'll be back. Right, we're getting there. I did have a special request from one of our subscribers to do a smooth Christmas cake, but as you can see, that isn't going to happen. That ain't happening in this kitchen today. So yeah, this is starting to go off a bit, and I'm not using the correct palette knife, but it's actually, you just literally stick it on and do the best you can. If you want to go for the smooth, obviously you need to get the nice smooth palette knife, dip it in hot water and all that, but I've gone for like the sort of off-pieced, unpieced look, so it looks quite it definitely looks Christmassy. Anyway, so that's basically it. I mean, we have it does look like a snowball fight, but yeah, so I'm just going to sort of smooth it off and give it a bit more form. But I think that's it now. We just sort of let that set. I mean, I'm supposed to put all little decorations and stuff like that, but I haven't got that. I haven't got any of those, so it's just going to be like that. I'll have to decorate it when I serve it up. So let me just do a little bit of fine tuning on that. If you've got any left over, apparently we can stick it in some cling film. But I haven't got any cling film, so I'm just going to stick it in one of these freezer bags. So I'm going to shovel that in there, and then you can put that in the fridge and use it again for something else, some biscuits and stuff if you want to. And that's it. So here's the cake. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a great Christmas, and you can do it.